Good morning, everyone. My name is Ayush Bharti, and today I'll be presenting my research project on AI powered customization in luxury hotels. This presentation is a part of my subject, professional practice, and research workshop, and I'll be sharing what I've found about how artificial intelligence or AI is changing guest service in high end hotels while also pointing out the risks and challenges of using this technology. In slide number 2, you can see the introduction. The luxurious hotels have always focused on creating personal, high quality experience for their guests. Now, with new technology like AI, they can do that in new ways. For example, AI can help set up the perfect room temperature, sending personal offers, or answer guest questions 24/7. But there are few challenges. As hotels use more technology, how they keep the warm human connection that guests expect from a luxurious hotels. In slide number 3, I have discussed about the research problem. Although the AI is being used more and more in hotels, we still do not fully understand how it affects guest satisfaction and trust. There are many studies about AI in general hospitality, but very few that looks closely at luxurious hotels. That's why I wanted to explore how guests actually feel when hotels use AI. Do they trust it? Does it improve their stay? Or does it make the experience feel less personal? In flight in slide number 4, I research on is about my research purpose and objective. The main goal of my research was to study the impact of AI on both hotel operations and guest experience. To do that, I focused on four key questions. That is, what AI tools are luxury hotels currently using? How do guests feel about these tools? Do they like them or trust them? What are the benefits and challenges for hotel managers using these AI tools? How can hotel keep a balance between human service and AI technology? And in slide number 5, I discuss about the scope and the significance of this. My research looked at five-star and luxurious hotel in Australia and globally, one that already use AI for personalizations. I study tools like AI chatbots, smart rooms, and customer relation systems. This research is important because it helps hotels understand how to use AI better, not just to save time or money, but to actually improve the guest experience without losing the special human touch that define luxury. In slide number 6 is about AI in hospitality. So, what exactly is AI doing in hospitality? Hotel use AI for things like chatbots that answers question at any time of the day. Smart room controls the adjust light and temperature, and even facial recognition for quick check-ins. These tools help staff work faster and give guests more of what they guests may worry about their data privacy. Staff might worry about being replaced, and the manager needs to invest in good training and strong system to make it work smoothly. In slide number 7, I have discussed about the personalization in luxury hotels. Personalization is one of the biggest trend in luxurious traveler. In the past, hotel staff would remember guest names, preferences, and even special occasions. Now, AI can do that too, and even go further by predicting what guest wants before they ask. For example, AI might recommend a spa package if the guest book one during the last visit. But some people feel this make the experience less personal. It's important to remember no machine can replace genuine human care and emotions. As we can see in slide number 8, the guest perception of AI. What guests think about AI and how they feel about the AI. Guest opinions about AI are mixed. Many people like the speed and convenience. They enjoy fast check-ins and help suggestions, but some guests, especially in luxurious settings, worry about privacy and losing the emotional connection. For example, a young guest who's tech savvy might love using voice recommendation in the room, but an older guest might prefer talking to a real people and asking for the help and suggesting what they really want. Hotel needs to understand that not even guest feels the same way and design service that work for different needs. In slide number 9, I discuss about the operation and managerial insight. From a manager point of view, AI can offer big benefits. It helps reduce cost, improve marketing, and predicting how many guests or rooms will be needed. For example, AI can track booking and tell manager when to schedule more staff or run promotions. But there are also challenges. Some staff worry about losing their jobs, others might find the system too complicated. Manager must make such AI in use to support staff, not replace them. And training and communication is the key. In the in the 10th slide, I discuss upon the concept framework. To help analyzing the result, I use two important modules. The first one is the technology acceptance module, which look at how people accept new technology based on usefulness and ease of use. The survey queue model, which focus on service quality, include things like readability, empathy, and assistance. These models help me understand how AI tools affect guest trust, satisfactions, and overall service quality. They show that tech and human service must go hand in hand. And in the 11th slide, I conclusion and recommendation about the AI. In conclusion, AI give luxury brand powerful new tools to personalize guest experience and improve operations. But no matter how advanced the technology is, it still never replaces the human connection. Guest still wants to welcome, understand, and valued by real people. So, what is my recommendation is use AI to handle perspective tasks so staff can focus on guest care, training staff to work with AI tool confidently, and also being transfer about how guest data is used. By doing this, the luxury brand can get the best out of both worlds smart efficiency, service, and warmth, and the human connection which customer wants. And in the last slide is the reference slide, which shows that I based uh, I based this research on recent academic sources, include works by authors mentioned in these slides. This research helped me understand how AI is being used in hospitality today and what it means for the future of the luxury. So thank you. Here's my slide about AI used in the luxurious hotel and how it's helping the customers and the staff in the working. And also it helps the customer to understand that the customer really feels they really want this technology or not. It depends upon the person to person. If the person is more tech savvy, is ready to adjust and know how to use the technology, then they are really good. And the person who is in lack of the technology, don't know understand the technology, they will find it difficult. So thank you. Here's my PPT.